ngi jaban ngi ke jagwa same basic greeting in Tognat or in Nuer language. Do badana deran dara mala dara jalar keje mudongori jano dere ran dere lar mala. Basic greeting de kon wacholo no jik ni la jik ne do badana dere dere jikaran keje. Okay. Drop and dere ran lar male keja kede kono cholo jek na bana na ko titini ke to go to the randa kaf dong de rodo mo jek do hoten basic greetings do bande ran lar male keja ki do dan de jek ran keja ban je to kamen yam gwadan hello ka to dan to kono cholo hey termunda jen ka kon hey alami đi ran chol hai bona jen a boko kon a ki la ran mala simple hello ka kon e mala simple hai bo jen mala ba mala ka kon wala tiaga long these are the things to use kon normally shi kon dor kon ato de ran jo ken nyam man din ya long kan ware okay la kon ato ka mal all the time hello hai kin mgur mo de lar bi tong ja ka male no kan ware male na mo agenda tan watin la kan mala to kono jin war la to bi to ko male hi male elo male ka kon war la kon do to ka greeting ka tok english amodian gwas me bala good morning male ke male ke run wa na me male kurun wang good morning no male kurun wang good morning male kurun wang ka kon male kurun wang no mo mate ka kon e kon chal nuare good afternoon ka kon male ke chang dar no kon alar no male ke chang dar good afternoon male ke chang dar to kon ke good evening na me male ke tiang melaraja di lar no male ke tiang tijaran di tijana no magorija good afternoon male ke chandar good evening male ke tiang no dere no mo dere lar Mdadiana me how are you take dupton one how are you da la male male okay hello na mde larbo male ke de larbo no tedi okay ko jana greetings ke dung mala ke dung jaka de lar how are you shega no ko dong da la mo gaba most of the time we use male long kone chal ke no so you have to use male. How are you? Male. How is everything? How is everything? Tidial wakedi. They learn Tidial wakedi. How is everything? Okay, Tidial wakedi. How is everything? Name. How is everything? Tidial wakedi. Tijrane no. Okay, greeting and more. Meridian, how have you been? Na me chere mi jogran no chilo tedi ke wedi keji chalo wedi keji how have you been che wedi keji okay cause sometimes question la take gwadan dong michran che ban pin bi kule jogo no how have you been chalo wedi keji ke che wedi keji me bode kono use no yeah there's many way today lar keje and do be gwi ke de lar how have you been she wedi keje ke wedi keje na okay sometimes they go like how is it going but gwame how have you been she wedi keje don't teach na ponran don't che mo ka dwal ke kana mo ka dwal you can say she wedi keje how have you been na me greetings but okay mredia na me shale friendly greetings mjege generam mo la medo jek mi jeki yana masdu mjig yana masdu friendly greetings de ko lar no la jig man take a different contact dana pai ko right ke jenta man me friendly greeting bana weten ke mi jig yana masdu ke ram mo me la medu ke ram mo ngeji okay a male simply male wedi ke je what's up wedi what's up okay male wedi ke je so de larbo ke jo min guji no de lar ke je okay what's up ke a what's up male wedi simply de lar no no miti wedi den ya de lar long time no see sha gwa ber kane men nen sha gwa ber cho nên sha gwa ber sometime tung no de le lo gwa de non chana je latin ko okay sha gwa ber kane men long time no see na me gorje bel gaka ma gagror shale no long time no see sha gwa ber kane men sha gwa ber kane men okay de lar no mana dien gwas me bala na me how is your day going how is your day going shang du we idi shang du we idi how is your day going shang du we idi de lar no how is your day going ko bi ngaje no mite je no dong chi chang wala ke ji she we di di an je shang du we di ke we de ke je ka tong na chi kono mala lar no how is your day going e jo shi budi di how is your day going de ko lar bono di shi boot idi okay de kon this two thing de kon ke use shi budi di kana mo de kon lar bono no ka do dan bi kon e ja shi budi di how is your day going shang du we di ke shi budi di man den gwa se me bala jen question me chale nice to see you nice to see you nice to see you lono chilotet ko shejenen okay ke shagwan wo shejenen nice to see you shagwa en o shejenen okay de larum shagwan wo shejenen okay nice to see you nice to see you nice to see you shagwa en wo shejenen dere lar no kim tilar den bo dere guj bon nice to see you shagwan wo shejenen no tangulan we lar no shilo de tes ko shejenen I'm glad that I see you baname a nice to see you nice lo ne magwa nice nice to see you shagwa en wo shejenen okay wo kon ka greeting dodian good to see you jen chide ka nice to see you bane good to see you okay sha gwa en o sha ji nen okay nice to see you can good to see you dong da la is slightly different but da nyang kelmo good to see you sha gwa no sha jenen sha gwa no sha jenen okay sha gwa en wo sha jenen polite greetings na me chere me nirmala pelli rodu pinki de kolarno nirmala kalus ala mene ran kalus dan te gaji shale polite greeting polite greetings mi ne ran lo te kalus kaja nirmala pelli rodu pin nirmala kalus ala chi topten large lo ti kalus ke you show respect to that person that you are greeting bana weten gwazama maniam greetings ngai kone jek okay greetings chi gon lara jek ke jek ni okay kwana ben pingwasa me ko bi kona kula ngaja no what are those greetings that they take for light no okay maniam chagorono it is a pleasure to meet you it is a pleasure to meet you katong nat de kono gorno nene tes large midit and who si konjek it is a pleasure to meet you at a large midit ki at a large and wo si konjek de gorno at a large and wo chikonjik. It is a pleasure to meet you. It is a pleasure to meet you. Ataloach medid anu chikonjik. Okay. Deri didem deri which ataloach anu ataloach ko chikonjik. Simple. Just way guji gajam deri deri lar taloajo la ler jamal ke kelus. Ataloach medid anu chikonjik. So ramabo ki ataloach ko chikonjik. It is a pleasure to meet you. Ataloach medid anu chikonjik. Okay, wanna go, how do you do? Guasame, we, idi, okay, je. Simple, how do you do? De kolarba, cherega malabo, how do you do? No, mala ename, katungnat, how do you do? We idi keje, okay? Wanna come to ename, hope you are doing well. Hope you are doing well. Okay, dia wajah kia ngada jenu ngase JNO we agwa. Okay, ngada jeno we agwa katong nuare de glar no hope you are doing well, no ngasa je NO we agwa, hope you are doing well. Ngasa jeno we agwa namo da la mo gwa bo ka dob dan de ran de na de ka greet ka je ke de je karan traditional casual greeting to bananyong right content. Okay, titini casual like ngwane te donglat ke parika ki paring wakten, no shit ke yo ka kon bo yo mala bana mala. Okay, mana dien gwa hi there mala bo mala ki we dikaje mala te kon ke what's going on ngutu ko Tuoko. So mala let hot color KBL hi there oh we the book just simple jen mala kelio tara kelio what's going on angu tuoko like a greeting, but you know kat ne katanat how is life take way de mala bo. Okay, take way idi see there ka good bana ka do dan dong de ran there good. Let's say how is life take way to reality ke type of greeting ke jegne katungnat to der anda ro ke bekaten jen gwadan ban pekten chuje poro jeno jen bi channel bi subscribe ke bi support ka bi like ke bi share kan ko ken ban jeg mudadien bi atagamal.